Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to install Homebrew on your MacBook computer. So this process will work in any Apple Silicon Mac like M1, M2, M3 or M4. So let's directly jump into it. First of all, you have to open your command prompt. You can type command plus space to open the search bar and type terminal. So the steps are very easy. In the terminal, you have to execute three commands. The first one and second one is visible here. The third one is an example. It will appear in the command prompt after executing first two, and you will just execute that. So let's first copy the first command and execute it. It is xcode-select space double hyphen install. Okay, so I'm copying this command and pasting it on my terminal here, as you can see, and press enter. So since you are installing it for the first time, you will have to install command line tool, and a new prompt will show up here. As you can see, we have two options, install or cancel. You have to click install, and since it is for the very first time, it will take some time based on internet speed, so wait until it completes. Click on agree, and now it will start downloading the command line tool. So if your internet is slow, give it some time, because this will be a one-time process. And after it is done, we'll execute the second command. Now the first step is complete. We'll move to the second step. You can directly copy the second command from my video description, or you can go to brew.sh on your Safari browser and open the website and copy the command from there. Either way, you have to copy it and paste it on the terminal once again. Okay, so it will install Homebrew, but after installing Homebrew, you have to manually enable it for using. Okay, so if the second command executes successfully, in the output of the execution, you will have the third command which you will need to execute. Okay, so do not use the example command shown on this video like the echo and eval. You will have to copy the command that is appeared on your terminal. Okay, so let's wait for this second command to execute successfully so that we can proceed. Yeah, now the second command is executed. Just copy the part I have copied, 3 lines starting with echo, echo and eval. So copy this 3 line and paste it on the command prompt. For your understanding, I am pasting it on my text editor so that you can understand which part to copy from the terminal. Okay, so here, as you can see, it will be different for you. It is having the username Monir, so in your case it will be your username, and it is successfully installed. After installing it, let's just install a tool with brew install wget. As you can see, I have installed wget, and now I am downloading a file with wget. So this is how we can install Homebrew. After installing Homebrew, you can download any tool you want like Git, Node, Python, Java, and many more. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more helpful how-to guide for MacBook, stay tuned and hit the like button if you learned something.